YouTube family? Well, back at it again. We got the Legacy again. We're gonna be swapping out the tires. I was using the Sparco wheels from my WRX on this one because I haven't been driven the WRX in a while, and the tires were new. So we're about to change it back because I got fresh new tires for the Legacy. Let's get a little time lapse going. I'll show you guys what little wear I had on the old wheels I used to have on the Legacy, which are currently on the WRX. Let's get a little time lapse going for you guys. Sorry, it's been Of course, we had to be in Oregon. It started raining. I'll send you guys back, see if I don't get a better shot. It's not gonna be the greatest, but alright guys, here's the old tires. And this is why we're changing them out. We got camber wear. So after we get these new tires installed, we're gonna go ahead and get in alignment. And I was running STR, fuck, I forgot the name of these ones, but they're the 18 by 8.5s. Whew, kind of tired. Well, swapped out the tires, the wheels. About to go get the tires mounted on my wheels for my Legacy. There's the other one sitting. Can't wait to get this thing back on the road. It was hit and run. Haven't got a chance to get that thing fixed, but will be soon, hopefully. Alright guys, here we are at Edder's shop. That's the homeboy Edder. I'll plug his stuff in the description. He's got a dope Evo and a 240 build. Go check him out. Give him a follow. 8 subscribers? I think I have like 3. That's messed up. Eder, you're not subscribed to my channel?
We'll have to see.
There she sits. Wait, she's not fully down yet, but I'm gonna drive her around, let her settle. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Shout out to my boy Eder. Say bye.
Peace.